All right, why is this woman smiling? Because she's hearing the Samsung drain away over there. Woo! You're hearing the pump humming. You're hearing that water going out. Isn't that nice, guys? Well, exceeding my expectations. The company that I purchased the pump from delivered it today. I'm happy to say, very excited. It only took like 3 days. It's supposed to be delivered the 6th to the 9th, and here it is the 31st. And we are back in business. It only took me, what, 2 minutes to get the Ring of Doom on today? Which was, yeah, I could do this machine in about 5 minutes. We got to rebalance it and everything here, but I'm really very happy that changing out that pump did the job. You can hear it draining. And a new drain pump is in. And I think we're back in business here. So very exciting news from the Rancho, and thank you to those of you who were with me on the previous stream.
Yes,
This whole repair,
up,
this whole repair really took about 20 minutes to do. So thank you very much. The LG combo washer dryer lives again. All right. Ooh, smash that thumbs up.